I don't know. We could bring them, make them come and sit and wait. The creepy part is his eyes are like partially open. Like he sleeps like that. Yeah. We can go to the TO mall this time.
Oh.
Isn't that fun? Go to 2 different malls.
Mall, one trip?